Yo, what's up guys? This is an unwrapping packaging video of the Blu-ray copy I got today of Jurassic Park. Okay, here it comes with a coupon to see Jurassic World. I'll probably see that movie soon. Really looking forward to it here. And here's the copy, Blu-ray, the movie. Okay, now I'm gonna start opening this up. Okay. Okay, here it is. Jurassic Park on Blu-ray. Here. Blu-ray in digital HD. Pretty good. Okay, now I'm gonna open it. Now, of course, here's the disc. And here's the thing. Other cool movies. But the back side is showing the digital HD, which I'm not gonna show because I don't want any of you guys stealing the code. And here's the Blu-ray. Really cool. More of a Blu-ray type of person rather than getting DVDs. So I'm really excited for the new Jurassic Park film to come out. And that's it for the unpackaging video. Bye for now.